Crypto Kids, Merry Christmas. Today, the price of Bitcoin is pumping. We're above $99,000, and that is why I'm coming here with an emergency Bitcoin update video. So destroy the like button, subscribe if you're not a crypto kid already. And with that said, let's jump in straight to the price of Bitcoin. So going into 1 hour, the 4 hourly time frame, you can see that Bitcoin is breaking out nicely from currently this resistance line at 98.9 thousand dollars. If you're in the free Telegram community in the Crypto Kids Telegram, I left a message when Bitcoin was at $98,000 saying that we're currently forming a double bottom on the 4 hourly time frame. We're also breaking above, we're trying to break above currently from this resistance line that you can see we tested perfectly and got rejected back in November of 22nd of November, so exactly a month ago. So this is incredible resistance. Bitcoin is trying to break above it, but be careful. Do not get trapped. Tomorrow is Christmas, meaning that the CME Bitcoin market is not going to be open. So we don't want to be creating a gap for Bitcoin. This is incredibly important. We don't want to be creating a Bitcoin CME gap. So that is one important thing. The second important thing is that this candle has to close above this resistance line. So I just opened a very small long position over on Coinflare. You can do the same if you would like to as well, using the links in the description down below. With Coinflare, you get up to $68,000 in rewards with this link. And also, if you go to WeX, if you're not able to trade on Coinflare or any other exchange, WeX allows you to trade from anywhere in the world. So make sure to go to the description and use the links down below if you want to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But jumping back to the chart, it's super important that Bitcoin does end up closing above the neckline of this double bottom. It is super important. If we can, we're incredibly bullish. There was a lot of resistance from the EMA ribbons, but it looks like Bitcoin has made it above them on the 4 hourly time frame as well, which is perfect. Again, we want to close like this bullishly, but things look okay. Like things don't look too bad. Even the Bollinger Bands we're squeezing, we're testing the upper Bollinger Band. Again, we want to see it close above it. I'm telling you again, I opened a very small long position. I'm going to scale into this position the moment we have, and sorry guys, my trading view expires, and I'm going to have to renew that after finishing this video. But basically on the daily time frame as well. Oh God, trading view, don't do this to me. On the daily time frame, we're testing back the rising wedge. So we can see the load jump into the screen. I don't want the 1 minute, I want the daily time frame. Oh God, trading view. Oh God. Okay, daily time frame. Give me the daily, not the 1 minute, daily time frame. I don't think TradingView wants to give us the daily time frame, but there we go. Okay, this should work. Rising wedge. All right, so Bitcoin on the daily, once again, let's try again. We're trying to make it back into the rising wedge pattern. So we're testing the prior support. And with rising wedges, you tend to see double fake outs. This is another warning sign. So you shouldn't get trapped by this pump necessarily because you tend to see the fake out towards the upside. Then you come down. You also see a fake out with the support and there could be a chance you come down again. So this is something we do not want. On the Bitcoin dominance chart, you saw something similar. So BTC dot dominance will give you a very similar chart of the rising wedge. When you go into this chart, you can see that Bitcoin also similarly had a huge rising wedge pattern. This will be more obvious on the weekly time frame. Let's get rid of the Bollinger Bands. And sorry guys, this is just an emergency video. I don't have access to my computer. That is why it is the phone setup, like Chris, Crypto. So apologies if it's not the best. But basically, to all the crypto kids that have been watching for a while, you know that Bitcoin had a rising wedge. You went out, you faked out, then you had a test, and now you're going to come crashing down. So this is the issue with rising wedge patterns. This is why we need to be a bit careful. Although I'm bullish in terms of the cycle, in terms of the 4 hourly time frame, on the daily, I still want to watch out. Okay, I still want to watch out on the daily, but this is so annoying. To make sure to get the pro version, guys. In TradingView, you can get a discount, funnily enough, using the links down below again for TradingView 2. If you're getting annoyed by these ads, make sure to upgrade to premium because this is completely unbearable. So basically, I'm going to try once more, and if it doesn't work, I'm going to switch back to my own camera. There we go, daily time frame. Daily. So we could see the same scenario here. Hopefully we don't. I don't think we will. I think there is a very good chance Bitcoin breaks back into the rising wedge, but we have to be careful just in the case that this is resistance and then we dumb back down. So currently I'm in like a 20% of the usual long position amounts that I go in. And as soon as we break, right, as soon as we break this line, going into maybe not tomorrow, because it's Christmas, all the trading is off. So what I would do personally is to wait until the end of this week and rather going all in into long positions now. I would much rather go all in when Bitcoin is at 100 or $101,000 because going in now is a bit more risky. So I would be willing to wait until Bitcoin is trading at $101,000 and then enter a Bitcoin long position. But the final thing that I will say before ending off this video is that if you watched the last video, we did talk with Mr. M about the fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum is super cheap. So here we reached the target of the Ethereum double top perfectly. So Ethereum is now bounced back to 3.5. So congrats if you bought some Ethereum. Also, we spoke about Solana. We spoke about a couple of other altcoins. If you were able to accumulate them on spots, again, massive congratulations. If you're looking for a place to buy crypto for the first time, then you can do that on Bybit. Again, link is in the description down below. But with that said, thank you so much for watching. I actually need to catch a flight. So I'm going to be leaving in like 10 minutes. And tomorrow, I'll make a video from a very cool location and the moon show is back on Thursday. But in the meantime, enjoy Christmas, take some time off of the charts. Everything is looking bullish, cycle-wise, fundamental-wise, even technical analysis in the 4-hourly time frame. I would be careful of the daily retest. But if we can make it above the resistance or the support now, prior support of the rising wedge, we should be good to go. But guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. As always, take care, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you all on the next video tomorrow. So guys, take care, and as always, bye-bye.